So just a reminder that nose hairs, we always want to start with the letter M for math teacher. And the top of the M's have to be on the outer terms. And so the outer terms are going to come down and stay exactly the same. Like that. Now, what we're also going to do is we're going to take these two numbers and use them to split into nose hairs. And what we're actually taking is this one, we're splitting this into two different numbers, but we use these two to find what the pair is. So 12 times 6 is 72. So I'm going to list all my factor pairs of 72. And then add them up until I find minus 17. So 22, 18, this one adds to 17, but it's positive 17. I need negative 17. So switch both of them. You can't just switch one, you can switch both. There's my two numbers. So just to recap, we draw the letter M, we take the outer coefficients, the numbers, multiply them, and do what we do for all trinomials. Find the option that adds to the middle term, and now we're going to take the minus 17 and break it into minus 8 and minus 9. Make sure that this, because this has an x, both of these have an x as well. So that's the beginning part. From now on, it's all about GCF. There is no GCF that goes into all four of these. But I'm going to find the GCF of the first two, which is 4x. Right here, the GCF, there's a minus, so I'm going to take out minus 3. Always take out the negative if it's in the first term. Doesn't matter if it's the second one, it matters if it's the first one. So I'm going to rewrite this with the GCF in front. The minus 3 is the next GCF. The remainder, minus 9x divided by negative 3, 6 divided by negative 3. And I have matching binomials. I need matching. If you don't have matching, go back and check your work. Your chances are it's this negative here, or maybe you copied down the question wrong. But they should be matching. And the final step is the GCF the third time, matching 3x minus 2. This is my GCF the third one. And the remainder goes in the second set of brackets. And I'm done. So another example, we've got a hard trinomial, and I know it's hard because there's a coefficient here, and I can't take it out with a GCF. So 6x squared stays the same, minus 15 stays the same. 6 times negative 15 is negative 90. So to get negative 90, one of them has to be negative. I'm going to put it on the bigger number for now. And this is an invisible 1. So the only one that adds up to 1, well, this one adds up to negative 1. So I'll switch the signs to get positive 1. So minus 9, positive 10, must put an x on it, and on both. So GCF of this one is 3x. GCF here is 5. It's positive, so the GCF will be positive. My binomials are the same, so I know I'm on the right track. Final answer, 2x minus 3, the GCF of both, and the remainder from each section. And if I want to check, I can check my work by multiplying by FOILing.